Hello students of 4th standard. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is nothing but lesson number 6, variety in the food. So see what is given in your textbook. Try this, it is given. We use the vegetables and grains in our house. We know that we bring it from the market. We prepare various dishes from it and we take it to in our meals. So we carry out various things, or we prepare various things from the, you can say, vegetables and grains. So which grains and vegetables does our family buy from the market? Do you know that? Yes, we know that. Then see, as shown below, make a table of different dishes prepared from the different grains or vegetables at home. First one is given, see there. Grain that is given, rice is given. From rice we prepare our rice dish. Then again we prepare idli, we prepare bhakri. Then see, various, you can say, types of the dishes we can prepare. Here there are given only 3 dishes. Then look at your list. If a grain or a vegetable is used to make more than one food item, write the total number of such items in the next column. What you have to do? The number of atoms which you prepare from a particular grain, that you have to write in the next column. Then see, compare your list with your friends. You want to compare that list with your friends. In your table, add food that are in the list but not yours. See, you have to add the food whichever is not belonging to your you can say list from the others. For example, here it is given, we prepare modak, we prepare dosa from the rice also. Then see, then after that we would realize that there are again some ingredients. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredients remains the same. For example, we saw the preparation of the various dishes of the rice here. That is nothing but idli is prepared, bhakri is prepared, rice is prepared, modak is prepared. Then you can say the dosa is prepared. These are the various dishes of the, you can say, rice. But the main ingredient whichever is used here is nothing but a rice itself. Note that there is a diversity in the food items. We see the variety of the food items which are made up from rice, but the main ingredient whichever is used here is nothing but a rice. Now see, use your brain. In every region there is staple food. There is one staple food. What is the reason for that? See, a particular, you can say, in the Konkan region, the only rice grows there. In the, you can say, in the north side, the wheat grows there. Why it is? Because that climate is suitable for that grains, and that climate, in that climate only such types of grains are growing very nicely. So there the, you can say, cultivation is taken. Why does the staple food of a people vary according to the region? According to their habitat, according to their atmosphere, according to their religion. There is a, you can say, various types of the foods is eaten by the, you can say, various peoples. Now see, one map is given in your textbook. Can you tell? See there. Study the map given below. Observe the distribution of food crops in the country. So see, there are various food crops. From the, among them, what is given in the map? See there. Rice is given, wheat is given, and jowar is given. Study how the distribution of the crops varies in the different region. Whenever you see there is a particular crop grown in a particular region only. Which food is grown on a large scale in a coastal region? Whenever you see in coastal region, most of the rice plant is, you can say, grown there. Then see, which food crops are grown in a North India. In North India, most of the wheat is grown there. Then see which is the major food crop in the, you can say, central region. That is nothing but jowar. Then see, rice is grown in large scale in a southern part of India. Why this is so? We know that the temperature is, you can say, very nice, and in this temperature, whatever the temperature is needed for the cultivation of the, you can say, rice, such in that you can say region only such types of the crops are grown there. Then see next one, agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of the country. Whenever you see, agriculture is nothing but one of the main occupation in all parts of the country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. Whenever you see that the rice, cultivation of rice is mainly dependent on the rainfall because it needs more water. Rainfall received in all regions is not same. Whatever the rainfall we are receiving in our country is not same in all regions. In regions of a high rainfall, crops like, you can say, rice, coconut, ragi and wari are, you can say, grown. The crops which need, you can say, more amount of rainfall, or you can say more amount of water, in such areas only the plants like, you can say, rice, coconut, ragi and wari, these are grown. Wheat or tur and soybean, they are grown in the, you can say, moderate rainfall, where there is a, you can say, medium rainfall. In that region, this wheat, tur and soybean is grown. Jowar, bajra and moth beans are, you can say, grown in the low rainfall. Where they are grown where there is a region of a low rainfall. To help crops to grow well, we need good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight, water. These all are needed. According to the season, whenever we see according to the season, variety of grains, fruits and vegetables are grown in our country. But that all depends upon the, you can say, rainfall. Where whatever the rainfall is needed for any crop, the same crops, or you can say so same grains or vegetables are grown in a particular area. Then next, see, try this. You have to visit the local fruit seller. You know the fruit seller is in the market. He is selling the fruits. Then see, you have to tell the names of the fruits whichever are seen there. The fruits whichever are sold all year round, that are nothing but banana. Banana, they are sold all year round. Fruits are not available in the rainy season. That are nothing but the apples. They are not available in the, you can say, rainy seasons. Which fruits are sold in the summer season? In summer season we eat watermelon, then muskmelon, guava, strawberry. These all things we eat there. In such seasons, do we get a fewer fruits? In which seasons do we get a fewer fruits? That's it. The mainly in the, you can say, winter season we are getting most of the fruits. Then see, table as shown below of the fruits that are available in each season. Whenever you see, apple is available in the, you can say, winter season. Then again watermelon, or you can say grapes, these are available in the, you can say, summer season. Then see, banana available all the year. Then see, mango available in summer, jackfruit available in summer, chiku available in summer, guava same. Then see, various types of the fruits are present here. Include the names of the fruits, you know, even if they are not shown in the picture. I have told you the which, you can say, fruits are grown in which season. Then see next one, Irfan and Supriya bought potatoes because they were very cheap. When we see Irfan and Supriya bought the potatoes because they were very cheap. But they were tired of eating potato bhaji. Suggest different preparation of potatoes with them. Potatoes to them. You have to do that. What is the solution? You want to tell them. Can you tell? The map given below depicts. See, there are some food items which are present in Maharashtra and also in the adjoining states. By studying the map, we can understand which are the, you can say, various types of dish. They are, you can say, eaten in the different parts of the Maharashtra. Then see, draw a table like one shown below. See, there it is drawn. District you want to write. Then food item, main ingredient. For example, see there, whenever you see Mumbai city, or you can see, take the Ratnagiri. That is one of the district where Nachni and Bhakri, both are the food items, they are eaten there. Then see, main ingredients, they are nothing but the ragi and you can say the jowar. So these types of the foods, they are grown there. And see, the main crop grown in any region, you can prepare the various types of the foods whichever are present there in your region. For example, jowar is grown in a large amount in an, you can say, plateau region of the Maharashtra. Kurda, laya, bhakri, gurgurya, then again say gugurya, then again papad, sandge, ambi, dapati, dirde. These all are the preparations of the, you can say, jowar, and we can, these all, you can say, preparations, they are seen in the same region where the jowar is grown. Whenever you see in, you can say, Konkan or in the coastal region, the rice, coconuts, coconut oil are widely used there. In central Maharashtra, whenever you see the jowar, bajra, groundnuts, soybean, sesame and mustards are commonly used there. Note this variety of, you can say, diet of the people in that region. See then, do you know? There are some fruits and vegetables which are, you can say, prepared, or you can say they are grown in a particular season and now available all the year round. There are several reasons for this. Availability of the water throughout the year is there. Then improved seeds, nowadays we are getting importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. Faster transport facilities we are getting. Then see, suppose you are not able to get food items made from jowar, bajra, wheat, rice and corn. Think of the food items that you will have to eat. In that case, make a list of such items. Then see, a region, climate, soil, water and people needs determine the crop they are grown in that region and also as the staple diet.